Clinical officers baria bethiritwe bari mugomone gwa nkurukia mieri 3 nandi ni boritwe gucokera ngugine kwambiriria Jumanne ya RUUJU bubone nyuma ya nkiama ya kubatetera niyo KUCO kurita mwerekera juju hamwe nabo baria baritaga ngugikire CIBITARI iria nene buruke wango Cia National ni boritwe bagachoka mwankande iria thirikari ikathiria mateta ja MANDAGITARI baba Nandi arigitani ni bajokete mathaga jao ja uriti ngugi nyuma ya kujeka nthigwa Ntuku 99 bobone nyuma ya nkiama kiao gutumiria mugomo jo kuthira na bachoke gutungatira aje kwambiria Jumanne bo butumiritwe ni George Gibore uria niwe mwandiki munene wa kiama kia KUCO.
We began our strike on 1st of April after 7 days strike notice, which was issued on 25th of March. And we have been on strike until today. We're now today, by virtue of signing this return to work, we are officially declaring that our strike has come to an end and our members shall resume duty in their respective place of work starting today and not later than 24 hours from the date herein.
Gavana Muthomi Njoki uria ni mukaririgite wa kamiti ya ugima kirikanju ya mangavana na ugite arigitani ne ariti ngugi bagitumi muno kirima CIBITARI.
Allow me to appreciate the clinical officers are very critical medics in our facilities, because level 4 all the way down to level 2, those are basically run by clinical officers, despite the fact that we still have medical officers who are in charge, and therefore you are a very critical part of our workforce when it comes to the issues of health.
Akiongera ni betikanirite kirimendekithia jamwe.
So this has come as an opportunity, and I want to say that if I look at the issues that are divided us, they were actually, there's a very thin line, because they are issues that we could agree upon. We may not be able to get to 100%, at least 99.9% agreement is good enough. On the issue that has been spoken by the chair, on the issue of the medical cover for staff, honestly, the Council of Governors has done very well, the 47 counties. Because after the 47, only 7 counties are in the process of ensuring that all the health workers are onboarded on some medical scheme that is actually allowable by law.
Amwabo umukaririgite wa nkiama kia arigitani Peterson Wachira na ugite bareba kurita ngugi kire CIBITARI gwatiritwe ni thirikari nene baticoka ngugine.
And for those of us, because I'm also an employee of the Ministry of Health, so I want to thank the Excellency Governors who are here with us, because we have really seen commitment from the Council of Governors. But from the Ministry of Health and the people who should actually be showing leadership, we have seen lack of it, and we have not seen that commitment. So the strike continues on the side of the Ministry of Health, because there are issues that we have not been able to agree. We do not have a return to work agreement there. But for the Council of Governors, I think today is the last day of our strike. And I believe that we'll be able to cordially agree on all the issues. And I really hope that going forward, we'll be able to work together so that we do not have these kind of strikes. Thank you.
Akirikiria Njoki norite antubete na mbere guciandikithia kiri mubango jwa SHA na atete mutaratara jugutumirwa kuongera ugoti.
Currently there is registration of all the Kenyans to be onboarded on SHA, or move from NHIF to SHA. And currently we have experienced a bit of resistance in a few places where our people out there think that the registration that is being done to onboard them is a form of taxing them. And I want to use this platform to ask our people out there to please enlist yourself with the new scheme of medical services, that is the social health insurance. Because the NHIF that you've been using is soon going to be a thing of the past.
Thank you.